Welcome back to AI Alchemy, where we explore the latest advancements in technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its potential to solve crimes. Imagine a future where AI-powered systems could assist law enforcement in solving complex criminal cases. Artificial intelligence has the ability to analyze massive amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human detective. By using AI algorithms, law enforcement agencies can quickly identify patterns, connections, and potential suspects. Crime scene analysis could be improved thanks to AI's ability to process and identify crucial evidence, enhancing forensic investigations. Machine learning algorithms can assist in detecting unusual behavior patterns that humans might miss. Predictive analytics can be used to identify high-risk areas or potential targets, allowing for proactive crime prevention measures. AI can also help in managing and analyzing surveillance footage, providing automated alerts for suspicious activities. With the help of facial recognition technology, law enforcement can quickly match suspects to known criminal databases. AI-powered chatbots can aid in interviewing witnesses and victims, efficiently gathering information and maintaining consistent records. Natural language processing can be utilized to analyze crime reports, extracting valuable insights to aid investigations. Through social media monitoring, AI can identify potential threats, track suspects, and detect patterns of criminal activities. Automated license plate recognition systems can effectively track and identify vehicles involved in crimes. AI could potentially analyze phone call records, emails, and text messages, allowing law enforcement to uncover hidden connections and communication patterns. Virtual reality simulations can recreate crime scenes, aiding in the visualization and recreation for investigative purposes. AI-powered predictive modeling can calculate probabilities of criminal activity to allocate resources effectively. With the assistance of AI, investigators can generate accurate and reliable crime predictions, helping to prevent future offenses. Sentencing algorithms can be used to determine fair and consistent penalties based on various factors and historical data. By leveraging AI, law enforcement agencies can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and allocate resources more efficiently. However, ethical considerations and data privacy must be carefully addressed to ensure the responsible implementation of AI technology. To conclude, artificial intelligence has immense potential in solving crimes, revolutionizing the way law enforcement operates in the future.